Hello guys and welcome to Zim Trend Daily. So there is news just coming in at this moment. So it's actually bad news for the music industry, if I might say. So this is according to H Metro, and it was also shared by the Herald. So it's actually real news, or it's actually true. So this is the story according to H Metro. Hip hop artist Holy Ten, real name Momokudze Chitama, has been arrested for allegations. Also, there are still allegations involving a 14-year-old girl. So it's actually bad news. So the H Metro has actually established this. So hip hop artist Holy Ten has been arrested over rape allegations involving a 14-year-old girl. So National Police spokesperson Commissioner Paul Nyati confirmed the arrest, saying further details will be provided as the investigations continue. So this is actually bad news, if I might say it. I think you actually know about nyadzimari cases kuti inonetsa kuti uzvidefend, especially kana pane munhu anenge atongoti ninga handidai so I had to go kupage rezeta rapi kuti ndinoconfirma kuti is this true or something like that. So this is their post. This is post yezeta rapi vachiconfirma the arrest of a 27-year-old. Havana kumention a name in artist on this on their platform. They actually said they confirm an arrest of a 27-year-old. So I had to go on the social media to check with Wolitain at this moment Anima Kurimangan. So this is a profile yake according to Google, according to social to Google. So you can check 27 years. So it's actually connecting. So H Metro and Fungotinganye and also Herald also shared the post H Metro, which actually it could confirm these news. And also my radio stations one day also posted about this issue. So a lot, I know my followers, they when I told that like every day they're gonna so around each of their rage and something like that. So tell us what to think. To be honest, these kind of issues or of cases that singaya. I think I'm not so sure that Makoremangan, but also we actually know we have an artist who is in prison and he has a similar case that is so good. And I'm not so sure that Pindari ni mujeri, but I've seen mostly panenda artists kujera and ngachingonza achirimo. So it's actually maybe a bigger sentence, if I might say. So it is actually a bad news for the music industry. So tell us what you think. We will not say much about this whole case because I am a details mazhinji asati abuda and hanzi achazobuda nokufamba kwenguva. So tell us what you think, and please don't forget to subscribe.